Hi, my name is Andrew with Razorback Offroad, and today we're very excited to bring to you guys the rock sliders for the Razor Pro Series machines. If you have any questions about fitment, about whether these rock sliders will be compatible with your machine, you can visit our website at razorbackoffroad.com, and on there we'll have a machine fitment chart and you can see if your machine is on there. So I'm going to jump right into the installation, and we're going to do some pre-assembly. Before we actually start installing components on the machine, we're going to do some pre-assembly on the table itself. When you get your rock sliders, you'll get a series of mounting brackets and all the hardware that's included. And this is a very easy install as well. There's no modifications that you need to your machine, and you can have this thing installed probably before you can even hit the pause button. It's that fast. So I'll jump right into it. So I'm going to grab I'll talk about the brackets really quick. There's two sizes of brackets. There's a large one and then there's a small one. And basically the large one will go up towards the front here and the small one will go towards the back. So for the pre-assembly, what I like to do is install the bolts. The tools that you'll need, all you'll need is a 1/2 inch socket, and I use a short socket, and you'll see here in a minute why. And I use an extension. So you're going to grab your longer bolts and a washer, and you're going to just put it in the end of that socket, and you're going to go ahead and feed it through the front of this bracket. You're going to take one of these wedge nuts here, and you're going to go ahead and tighten it. Don't tighten it all the way, you're just trying to get it started. Basically you could go until the bolt is basically flush with that, and then that piece is ready. Okay, I'm going to put this off to the side and do this for the large one now. Put it through. You're going to get this started as well. Okay. Okay, once you have these kind of started, you're going to put these off to the side, and we're going to do one more, and that's on the slider itself. Okay, and you're going to come up through the tube here and feed it into the end here and install the wedge onto this as well. Okay, so I just want to kind of talk about the wedges. Make sure that the splits are facing each other like so it's one continuous bar, and these will actually go into some receiver tubes that are actually already on the machine, and it's going to be a quick and easy install. So you're going to grab your tools, and we'll start with the small bracket, and I like to use an impact, but hand tools are completely fine if you want to. And I'm going to go ahead and install this. So the small one goes into the back, and if you look at the machine, it's got 3 receiving points here, and so I'm going to go ahead and put this inside of there right now. And you're not going to don't tighten it down all the way. You're just going to kind of just get it. Going to get it kind of close just so it can sit there. You're going to grab the bigger one. And you're going to put this in the front, same thing. Just kind of gently tighten it. You want it so you can still move it side to side, you know, so it's kind of snug. So once you kind of have those in place, you're going to grab the side that this is supposed to go on. So how you can tell which side is which is you can look for the RBO badge on the outside, and you want that facing the outside. So this is facing my right hand side, so this is going to go on the passenger side of the machine. All right, so before we go over there, you want to just make sure you grab one of the shorter bolts. You're going to come over here. You're gonna put in the top, okay? And then you're gonna just move this over. And then you're gonna use one of these bolts to kind of hold it into place. Okay. You grab 3 more bolts. And you're gonna go ahead and put them into the other 3 holes that are here. Okay. All right. So once you kind of get everything into place, now you're going to want to actually tighten everything down. So I'm going to visually inspect kind of these inner brackets that we install first and just make sure that they're kind of straight in the slots here, because they can move side to side a little bit. All right. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and tighten everything. Okay. And tighten it pretty well. Okay. And now that that's on there, I'm going to go ahead and tighten the wedges down now. Okay. All right. And then we have one more step. Torque all of the wedges down to 25 foot-pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So grab your torque wrench, and you're going to torque these to 25 foot-pounds. Okay. Okay. And once you have this all torqued down and everything tightened, you do the same thing to the other side. So once you finish the other side, that completes the install for the rock sliders for the RZR Pro Series machines. If you haven't yet already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. We hope you enjoy our products, and we'll see you next time.